Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error, not enough storage is available to process this command, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and click on the run as administrator corresponding to registry editor in the right pane. Now go to this path, HKey local machine, system, current control set, services, LAN server parameters in the left pane. In the right pane, we will create an entry named IRP stack size. But before creating this entry, check whether it already exists, which it doesn't. So right click new, and then we will create this TWORD 32-bit entry. Okay, and hit enter. Now double click on it, and if it never existed, then make it size 0x1. Okay, and if it existed, then you can increase the size. I'll tell you how to increase the size. 0x2 is greater than 0x1, 3 is greater than 2, 4 is greater than 3, and so on. So you can go up to 9, and after 9 we start A, B, and C. C is the highest. There's nothing larger than C in this case. So then you can click on OK and reboot your system to fix the problem. And if that doesn't help, then here's one more thing that you can do in this case. And this one is that you can perform a disk cleanup work on your system. Search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar. Open disk cleanup, click on OK. Check all of these boxes here. Click on OK, click on delete files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.